Reproduction in canine and feline. The canine, the female, is called bitch. Its puberty in 6 months. Monoestrus, 1 estrus during breeding season. Estrous cycle divided into Proestrus Estrus, Metestrus or Diestrus and Anestrus. Estrous cycle, non-pregnant. Proestrus 9 days, vulva swollen, bloody discharge, attracted to male but doesn't mate. Estrus 9 days, ovulation, day 2, accept male. Straw color discharge, Metestrus or Diestrus 90 days, false pregnancy. Anestrus 5 months, sexual inactivity, hormonal change, non-pregnant pitch. The hormonal changes during the cycle, estrous cycle. Here the Anestrus, Proestrus Estrus. Ovulation occur here. This is the FSH and the LH and the progesterone. Here the day of Metestrus 1 and Metestrus 2. Here the 20 days and here 30 days. Estrous cycle in pregnancy. Pregnant. Proestrus 9 days, vulva swollen, bloody discharge, attracted to male but doesn't mate. Estrus 9 day, ovulation day 2, accept male, straw color discharge. Pregnant. Metestrus 50 to 60 days, pregnancy. Parturition after 63 days from ovulation. The Anestrus prolonged to 5 months, and this is a period of sexual inactivity. Mating occur during estrus. Length of courtship by male is variable. Licks the vulva, bitch stands with tail to one side, mounting. Male mounts without erection and penetrate. Os penis in the vagina. Os penis, it's a part of the penis. Ossified. In vagina, male bulbous glands engorges, thrusting. Male dismount and the turns around. This is first stage of the coitus. Male dismount and turns around, but penis remain in the vagina. The thigh ejaculation thigh lasts 5 minutes to 1 hour. This is the stages. The turn. Canine mating. Second stage coitus. For 5 to 45 minutes. This is the tract, vagina. This is the rectum, the uterus. Here the bladder. Here the external genitalia of the bitch is the penis of the male. Mate 2 times, days in 11 and 13 after start of proestrus. Sperm lasts up to 7 days in female. Infertility often from mating, not at appropriate time. Hormonal detection of ovulation, LH increase associated with progesterone more than 0.5 nanogram per ml. Ovulation, progesterone 2 to 5 nanogram per ml. Pregnancy 63 days, range from 58 to 68, range due to dating from breeding, not fertilization. Hormonal changes similar to not mated, progesterone maintained higher. Corpus luteum required to maintain pregnancy. No placental progesterone, placental relaxin. Drop in progesterone trigger parturition. Detection abdominal palpation at 3 to 4 weeks. Ultrasound after day 60. Parturition hormonal similar to other animal. Parturition, delayed parturition. Primary inertia doesn't show signs of parturition. doesn't progress from stage 1 to stage 2. This is the delayed parturition, the dystocia, or the problems in parturition. In green, fluid, cesarean, need cesarean, or giving oxytocin in several small doses. Secondary inertia, uterine exhaustion, also we need oxytocin. Estrous control, induction, ECG, prevention, progestins. Disorder of the pitch, cystic endometrial hyperplasia, biometra. This biometra because of bacterial infection. The uterus filled with fluid, progesterone increase, first contamination of the uterus by vaginal bacteria, toxemia result from absorption of fluid and endotoxin. The symptoms: thirst, vomiting, inhabitants, shock, and death. 4 to 6 weeks after estrous pitch. More than 9 years that have not had a previous pregnancy can be open or closed hysterectomy. Disorder of the pitch, false pregnancy, normal to some extent, 6 days after estrus, may lactate, gain weight, nesting behavior, mammary tumors. Thought may be related to similarity to pregnancy and non-pregnancy. Disorder of the male dog, hypersexuality, castrate, progesterone, cryptorchidism, normal descent at the day 7 to 10 after birth, the testis, may be retained inside the body, should be removed if retained inside the body. Retained for 1 year, should be surgically removed. Artificial insemination, bitch doesn't accept the male. In these cases, shipment of semen. Minimize the number of breeding. Insemination of the bitches ovulate around day 10 after they enter proestrus discharge, or about 1 to 2 days of estrus. Ovulation can be detected by LH assay, peak LH value, and 1 day. Progesterone assay, more than 50 nanogram per ml. Cytology of vagina smear, more than 50% cornified cells. Remember, oocysts in the canine are ovulated as one oocyst and must mature in the oviduct to 2 oocysts before fertilization. Fresh or cooled semen, inseminate 2 days after ovulation, detected, and again 48 to 72 hours later. Frozen semen, inseminate on day 5 to 7 after ovulation. Here is the uterine insemination, better than cervical. Artificial insemination in bitch. This feline reproduction, domestication, female queen, male tom, puberty from 6 to 9 months, estrous cycle, seasonal, January to September. House cats may cycle year round. Estrus, proestrus, 1 to 2 days, attracted to males, rubs head and neck on object, vocalization, posturing and ruling, posturing and ruling. Estrus, accept male, 4 to 6 days if male present, 10 days if no male. Ovulation, 27 hours after mating, induced, affectionate to aggressive toward owner. Estrus cycle, proestrus if queen didn't ovulate, 8 to 10 days, diestrus after ovulation. Pseudopregnancy, 40 days, pregnancy 60 days, and estrus 3 to 4 months. This estrus cycle options: proestrus 0 to 2 days, estrus 2 to 90 days, diestrus pregnant 60 days, estrus 30 to 90 days, proestrus 8 to 10 days, diestrus pseudopregnancy more than 40 days. This is the hormonal change in queen in estrus, no mating, estrus 10 days per weeks. Here hormonal changes in queen. This proestrus 8 days. Hormonal changes. Proestrus estrogen increase due to follicular development in estrus. Estrogen high until ovulation. Ovulation 27 hours after mating. Vaginal stimulation. Diestrus in the queen. In cat, female cat, Diestrus, no corpus luteum if mating doesn't occur, so no Diestrus. Corpus luteum produce progesterone, takes 63 days, peak day 20. In pregnancy doesn't occur or fail. Corpus luteum life only half that seen in pregnancy. Mating, queen call or vocalize low mowing sound. Owner may seek a sign of illness during mating. Tom bites snake female with erection penis face toward. Is erection and mating. Queen call or vocalize low mowing sound. Owner may think a sign of illness during mating. Tom bite neck of female with erection penis face forward, only lasts 30 seconds to 5 minutes. As male dismount, female give a loud copulatory call and Tom retreats. This mating occurs 6 to 7 times until queen decline, may occur for up to 4 days. Pregnancy 63 days. Diagnosis abdominal palpation day 70 to 25. Parturition similar to other species in event and hormonal control. Dystocia rare. Need cesarean. Uterine anorexia. Need oxytocin. Control of ostrus. Ovariohysterectomy. Induction of ovulation, HCG, vaginal stimulation, prevention of stress, progestins, disorder of the queen, pseudopregnancy, mating to sterile male, vaginal stimulation or hormonal stimulation, cystic endometrial hyperplasia, biometria, same as in bitch, failure to cycle, stress, poor nutrition, disease, inadequate light, cystic follicles, disease of the tomb, spraying, castration, cryptorchid, descent at birth, treatment is castration.